Hey everyone, welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can fit an image inside a screen, okay, using Microsoft Excel. All right. So for that, first of all, here you can see this is one image and this is one PNG image of the laptop. Okay. So the problem is that I want to insert this image inside this computer screen and I want to make it like this. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, first of all, you have to open your Microsoft Excel, then click on this blank workbook, then select any particular cell over here, then click on this insert tab. But before that, let me show you, this is my computer screen and here we have a folder called as the Excel. And if I'll open this Excel folder, inside this you can see this is one laptop image and this is completely a PNG one. And this is the another image which I want to insert or which I want to put it in the computer screen. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, first of all, you have to go to the Excel and here you have to select on any particular cell. Okay. Then click on this insert tab, then go to pictures, then go to the folder. Okay, this is the Excel folder and inside this the image, that is laptop image, is there, right? It's a PNG image. Then click on insert and here you can see we have successfully imported that image into this Excel sheet. Okay, so by clicking on this you can change the shape of this particular image. Okay, next is, suppose I want to change the background color to white of this particular image. So how can I do that? For that, first of all, you have to select this amount of cells. Okay, then click on this home tab and here we have options called as the margin center. Then here you have another options called as the merge cell. Okay, so just click on it and now here you can see this is one particular cell and inside this cell this image has already been inserted. Got it? Then the next step is go to the insert tab. Then here we have options called as the shape, so just expand it, then select this rectangle. Okay, and drag and drop it over here, or you can draw that rectangle on this computer screen. All right, and now it is looking like this. Got it? Next is select outside of this particular image, then again click on this particular shape. Okay, then right click on it, or again you can right click on it, and here we have options called as the edit points, right? So just click on it and you can change the point of this particular shape on the computer screen. Okay, then the next step is, again you have to select on this particular cell, then right click on it, then go to the format shape. Okay, after that in the right hand side a pop-up will come and here we have options called as the fill. So just expand this fill options. Okay, and click on this picture or text fill. All right, and now here you can see this computer screen is looking like this, but our motive is we have to insert any particular image, right, that we have. Correct? So just click on this file options, then go to the locations or the folder where the image is exist. So suppose this is the image, so just select on it, then click on insert. Okay, and it's boom, right? And here you can see we have successfully inserted that particular image on the computer screen. All right, so in this way you can fit an image on the screen by the help of Microsoft Excel. All right, so thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.